G'day, Matt Grace and Flying Donkey here. I'm the Managing Director of Flying Donkey and I founded Flying Donkey over 5 years ago. I did it after returning from London that could help software companies deliver their products faster and better to market. We've grown in those 5 years to over 50 staff and supporting nearly 20 projects, ranging from fintech to hospitality, accounting to medical and everything in between. We've developed apps, desktop and tablet, and we worked across a range of technologies. Some of our clients include Sage and Peloton, as well as smaller companies like Australian Money Market and DDH Grave. We came to know about Basiq while building in the fintech space. Basiq has always been a leader in open banking connectivity and have a fantastic API that is targeted towards developers. It's intuitive and easy to use and can allow companies to set up very quick connectivity to open banking and then opens a realm of possibilities. While pulling statements or transactions into an application, there's a load of use cases that can be used for clients to use their banking in the next level. After talking to Basiq, they realized they needed to get some use cases together to build some starter kits for their clients. Had a really good use case around the personal finance app. The personal finance app is essentially where you have multiple bank accounts and you want to connect to them and pull in your transactions. Once you pull in these transactions, it's going to give you an overview of your spending and potentially budgets, and it can flag up certain things like when direct debits are coming out or when your expenditure is going to exceed your balance. Clients would come to Basiq and they wouldn't really know where to start with this or how to build into the APIs. And so Basiq wanted to create these starter packs, and Flying Donkey partnered with Basiq to build these starter packs. After building the personal finance app starter kit, we obviously worked closer with the Basiq API. We found it to be intuitive and easy to use, and obviously working with the Basiq team has been fantastic. We know this starter kit will be sent out free of charge to users, and we're willing to answer any questions that people have on implementing the starter kit. Or in some cases where you either don't have the resource or don't have the knowledge, we're also happy to help step in and help build your app on the Basiq API. And that's really the partnership we formed with Basiq here. That is, Basiq provides an excellent API and connectivity to open banking, and Flying Donkey is that custom service provider that allows you to come in and get an app built that you want and bring to market. So if you've got any questions on implementing the Basiq API in your app, or have come across one of the starter packs we've built for Basiq, feel free to reach out and we're happy to have a chat.